how to fix iCloud settings grayed out on iPhone. So one of the ways to fix that problem by checking your internet connection, right? Make sure that you use Wi-Fi or strong Wi-Fi or cellular data. And basically, what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just go ahead and what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just go into the settings, right? And then go ahead to the general, scroll a little bit down, transfer or reset iPhone, and then basically reset your iPhone, and then basically reset home and screen layout or settings. I prefer that you select reset all settings. That should fix your problem. Okay, so basically what you're gonna do, log in with your account, of course with your Apple ID after after you reset all the settings, and then enter your password, and that should fix your problem. So what you're gonna do next, if you still face that same issue, go ahead and click on your name and then sign out, right? And basically what you're gonna do next, you're gonna re-sign in again and verify that this is you who's using the Apple ID, and that should fix your problem. If it didn't, just go ahead to the general, and then VPN and device management, and make sure that your VPN is turned off. Another way of doing it, you could just go back to your screen, go ahead to your browser, and you're gonna just type something like let me type Apple system status. Make sure that you operating in the latest at the latest version of Apple. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.